Say hello to 522238 South Drexel Avenue, a student home that elevates your university experience with minimalistic luxury, city access, and campus closeness in bustling Chicago. Choose from spacious en-suites and non-en-suites to enjoy smooth hardwood floors, durable granite countertops, a microwave to reheat leftovers, and a dining room to fill every meal with love and laughter. You also get your own room, so privacy is always guaranteed. Head home from class and recharge while smashing your fitness goals in the gym. With an on-site laundry center, tackling chores on the weekends is quick and easy. And feel free to bring your wheels along. Bike storage is available on-site for them to rest. Check this out. The University of Chicago is just moments away on foot, and a quick drive can get you to Illinois College of Optometry within minutes. With the buses on Cottage Grove and Payne around the corner, plus the subway on 51st nearby, getting around the city is seamless. So come, join the student community at 522238 South Drexel Avenue, Chicago, via amberstudent.com today.